Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today I am coming to you with updates on our outdoor space, our gazebo with Brightown. Brightown reached out to me to take a look at some outdoor lights, and I am super excited because I knew the perfect spot for them for the gazebo. They not only sent me one, but they sent two. They come in a 2-pack, and this 2-pack is 29 feet in length. These are solar string lights for outdoors. 25 LED shatter-proof bulbs, 4 light modes. They are weatherproof, hanging lights, perfect. This is the solar panel. I am super excited about that because no power needed, right? Powered by the sun. Showing you the mounting bracket on the back. And you can also stake it in the ground. So I'm going to place everything back in the box, and we are going to head out to our gazebo area. So as you can see, hubby is outside preparing to hang these outdoor lights. It is hot here in Florida, guys, but we are determined to get this project checked off of our list. Hubby is checking everything out, and he is about to mount the first bracket for the solar panel. It does come, each set comes with a solar panel. This will definitely save money and energy on electricity. It comes with a 3.7 volt lithium-ion rechargeable batteries. 4 to 8 hours of charging can provide up to 16 hours of working time. This also can be charged with a USB, especially when the seasons give insufficient sunlight. The USB is perfect for charging the lights. Now, as you can see, my hubby is placing the solar panel on the bracket, and he ran the cord inside of the gazebo. Now he's getting ready to hang the lights. And these lights, they do have a hook on them. How convenient, right? Now our gazebo has a rod, and that's what we're going to hang these lights on. My hubby is pulling the wire or the cord through and connecting the panel, the solar panel, to the lights. And then tucking the wire back in to the gazebo. And as you can see, hubby is going around the gazebo. This gazebo, it did take 2 sets of these lights to go completely around. And again, the hooks made it so convenient to hang the outdoor lights. Now hubby is being very careful because we have some residences inside this gazebo. We're having an issue with frogs. We've been having a lot of rain here in Florida, and they think they own the place. So guys, if you have any suggestions on how to get rid of frogs without getting rid of frogs, drop a comment in the comment section below. We decided to place the other solar panel underneath the first one. So that's what hubby is doing right now. And I like both of them in the same spot. The solar panels also need to face up so the sun can hit them directly, okay? Now, with the hooks on the lights, they did start falling down. So hubby took some zip ties to attach the lights to the rod. And that will definitely ensure they will not come down. And guys, here are the lights on our gazebo. Oh my goodness, the sun is starting to go down now, and they look amazing. I absolutely love them. Just sharing with you how they look completely around the gazebo. Now, as mentioned earlier, these lights can be set in different settings. 4 to be exact, which are quick flash, steady light, slow flash, and pulsating light. This is amazing for solar lights, right? The solar panel also has an on and off switch on the rear of the panel, making it easy to use and perfect for a pergola, gazebo, porch, deck, garden. You can even use them for weddings, umbrellas, anywhere in your yard or outdoor decorations. So giving you a full look of our gazebo. This gazebo is by Sunjoy. I will have it linked in the iCard above. And here's my family enjoying the gazebo with the lights all around it and the fireplace. We truly love to spend time out here in this space. I would like to thank Brightown for the opportunity to look at these amazing lights. I will have them linked in my description box down below if you are interested, as well as a discount code for all of my blesties. Guys, I absolutely love them, and my family loves them too. So let me share with you one more project that we did, and it is dealing with lights also. Now my hubby was concerned about the step up on our deck, so we found these lights at Aldi, a 3-pack for $6.99. Isn't that an awesome deal as well? So he wanted to place these on the perimeter of the deck. And if you notice, guys, we also put another coat of stain on the deck. So it looks amazing now. When I showed this deck before, this gazebo before, we were getting so much rain that we were only able to put one coat of stain, and it looked horrible to me. And I hated to show it that way, but I cannot control Mother Nature, right? But it looks amazing now. We love the stain on the deck. But yes, hubby, it was concerned about, friends and family stepping up on this deck, when it turns dark. So he wanted to place some lights to ensure everyone's safety. And they were so easy to install as well. He took tape and marked the back where the nails go, just like he does with pictures. And the 2 marker dots were where the nails go, and he drilled the holes, and voila. Just as easy as that. Hung the light, and we're good to go. These are solar as well. And this is how it looks. I'm standing inside because it just rained on us, so I'm not going back there. But I wanted to give you a look of the gazebo with the Brightown lights, as well as the lights down below on the deck portion of the gazebo. A nighttime view. This looks so pretty to me. And I even like to sit back here on my screened-in porch and just take in the view. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow me on all of my social media sites. Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And don't forget to shop my Amazon store. That link can be found in the description box as well. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. You be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I will talk to you real soon. Love you guys.